Hi, good day. Welcome again to another video. This time, I'm now discussing how to convert the nutrition table to a food block. A disclaimer here. I just want to say, if you are not someone who records their food diets, you may skip this video now and go to another video. But if you might stay, please hit that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring that bell for many videos to come. So, let's again start the video. So you may ask, why the need to discuss about the nutrition data? So first, because if you are interested in the food blocks, you may as well use the nutrition data table to expand your list of food blocks. So as we recall, according to Berry series, there are 10 grams of protein for a single block, 7 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fat. Well, if you got no clue of what I am saying about, please watch my first video of monitoring food blocks. I have discussed there what are and how can you use the food blocks for monitoring your diet. Okay, first product, we have the yogurt. It has 125 grams in the package. The protein content is 4 grams. So according to various years, there are 7 grams per block of protein. So 4 grams divided by 7 equals 0.57, or approximately we can round it up to 1. Then the carbohydrates then is 20 grams. Then subtract the dietary fiber. This is one important part of it. Dietary fiber cannot be consumed by the body as it is sometimes insoluble. So therefore, in carbs computing, you will always subtract the dietary fiber. So 20 minus
0. So according again to Berry series that a carbohydrate has 10 grams per block, so 20 divided by 10 equals 2 blocks.
Then the fat lastly is 1 gram for this yogurt, and since according to Berry series, again a food block contains 3 grams of fat. So 1 divided by 3 equals 0.33333, and so on. And approximately we can see that it's 0. So the yogurt now has the blocks of protein as 1, carbohydrates as 2, and fat in 0. So next up, we have the Century Tuna Flakes in oil. First things first, I am not advertising any product here. So yeah, here it is. According to this nutrition table, there's 56 grams, but the can itself says it's 180 grams. So might as well discuss about that. So protein for 56 grams is 7 grams. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. So 1 block. Carbohydrates 2 grams and has a 0 dietary fibers. So 2 grams divided by 10 equals 0.2. So rounded up, it's just 0. Fat, we have 7 divided by 3 equals 2.3, or approximately 2. So the final blocks of a 56 gram Century tuna is protein 1, carbohydrate 0, and fat as 2. You might as well take total can itself. If you want to eat the whole can, you might as well compute about it. So it's just simple. Since 180 grams is just 3.2 times 56, you might as well multiply all the protein, carbs, and fat in that table by 3.2. So protein 7 times 3.2 equals 22.4. Then divided by 7, we have 3.2, or approximately 3 blocks if you eat the whole can. Then carbohydrates, we have 2 grams multiplied by 3.2 again, 6.4 divided by 10 grams per block equals 0.64. So approximately rounded up 1. Fat as 7 grams again multiplied by 3.2 equals 22.4. So 22.4 divided by the 3 grams per block equals 7.5, or approximately 8. So if you eat the whole can, you have 180 grams and it contains protein of 3 blocks, carbs of 1 block, fats of 8 blocks. Next up is the milk. So as we can see, there is 33 grams plus 200 ml. 200 ml is just the water content, or the water you will add to that drink. So we'll focus on the 33 grams. The protein has 5 grams, so divided by 7 grams per block equals 0.714, or is 1. Carbohydrates, we have 18.5 minus the entire fiber, which is 0, so equals to 18.5, then divided by 10 equals 1.85. Round it, then it's 2. So fats is 6.6. Directly 6.6 divided by 3 equals 2.2, or approximately 2. So then Bear Brand has protein block of 1, carbohydrate of 2, fats of 2 blocks. Here is a 240 ml. 240 ml commonly is a 1 glass of water. It's the same as this. So let's check about it. So the protein is 0, fats 0 2, but the carbohydrates is all made up of sugar. So let's use the value that the food blocks has containing 10 grams per block. So 19 divided by 10, we have 1.9, and it's equivalent to 2. Imagine this. If you are drinking soft drinks, you are consuming 2 blocks of carbs. To my stay, please hit that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring that bell for our many videos.